Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some before and afters of this Brazilian bob lace front. It is a full lace front. The brand is Star Hair, and that's S-T-A-R-R hair. And now you see the after of my friend Michael Trent. You can find her at Meek Fro on YouTube or any social media site. It's looking amazing. These are before pictures. My natural hair, I just threw the wig on right here. I'm in the process of installing it, guys. This is what it looked like after I had brushed it out, brushed the edges out, and I was getting ready to mousse her up and spray her down with just a little bit of water and conditioner. Edges, yes, fleek, curls.
We good? Hey, he's telling you about the bags now.
Gang, gang.
Where my child
They
at?
gotta put the bags up.
Hi, cutie. What's your name?
Hey, go. Oh shit, no, not me.
Hey, to get up here.
Hey, Poop.
It's not a picture, it's a video. I'm like, I don't know who you was.
Yeah, it's me. Well, the final score was 77-74 Bama, but this was a good game, you guys. They cut the score off. I couldn't show y'all the score. This was a really good game. K-State fought to the end. So proud of my cousin and all his teammates, you guys. Oh, Alabama don't dust up there. It's a little dusty up there. They don't dust. They don't believe in this, and I'll let them stop playing. We still love you. Yeah. They go back that way and bring people. So we need... Zakina, what? Yeah, get your tag.
You take me way back.